Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself, and our July 2023 challenge. Yes, is for Mini Kit Monday is get out your mixed media stamps and stencil and at least use one of those products on each layout that you create for Mini Kit Monday. Now I am going to reveal my kit to you, and I'm going to start with my stamps that I chose for my kit. So my first stamp is this one called Where Your Heart Leads. Hopefully it's not a glare. I still have it in the packaging, and that's A1299. Be who you are, do what you love, go where your heart leads you. The next one is the balloon number stamp from Close to My Heart. Hint, hint, you might be guessing what kind of photographs and memories I am going to be documenting with my Mini Kit Monday. And this is D2154, like I said, called Number Balloons. Then we have this birthday greetings, which is D1899. For my stencils, let's see, I need to get out my Daisy White cardstock, which I have selected 4 sheets of this. We have these stars, and this one was created by Paige Evans a couple years ago, and it's called Star Confetti. Can you see that? And then I have a 12 by 12 alphabet stencil from Close to My Heart. And then I have this like sun rays stencil, and it is also from Close to My Heart. Let's see, what do I got next? Let me move my stencils out of the way. And let me show you the mixed media products. So we have Studio 490, and it's embossing paste in silver. It's metallic silver. I have Texture Paste Opaque Matte, and that is from Ranger. I have Ice Berry, and this is from Vicky Booten. I have Distress Paint in Broken China. I have this metallic white paint from Craft Paint. I have Dilution Paint in, let me turn it around, it's upside down, in Blue Hawaiian. Oh, and I have a couple more stamps. I have this script stamp. I don't know who it's by. And then I have this, it looks like little X's, and I know this is an older Close to My Heart stamp. And I know it's not available anymore, and I already have it on this 3x3 block. For some ink, I have charcoal and butter, and I may bring in Glacier and Sapphire from Close to My Heart. And like I said, for my paper, I have 4 Daisy White cardstock, and I have this leftover paper pack and sticker sheet called Celebrating You, and that is X8032S. And then I also have the blue dots in here. So I have a sticker sheet and several 12 by 12 layouts. So I have quite a bit of it left. So I'm just going to fan it out like this. See, I have quite a bit of it. I think 15 sheets came with this collection. That's what I have left in the papers. And now the birthday photographs of our little guy. And this is when he turned 14 last year. And we've got a pool one, and then we've got birthday cake one, opening up some presents. So that is my kit. I would love to see your kit, along with Becky and Kathy would love to see your kit. So come on over to our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below in the description box. And what else do I need to tell you? Keep coming back every Monday. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button. It's all for free, and it's all for fun, and it's all for inspiring you and us to scrapbook our memories in a fun, creative way. And do not forget to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel, and I will have the link listed below. Happy scrapbooking. See you next time. Bye.